Hey besties, welcome back to Leendo's kitchen. If you are new here, my name is Leendo and this is my kitchen where I do everything baking, cooking, desserts and everything. So yeah, basically this is my kitchen and I welcome you, and to my returning besties, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate you guys so much. You guys have no idea. Yeah man, so today, as you have seen with the title, I will be making creamy mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna show you how I make my creamy mashed potatoes. They're usually very nice and soft and so creamy, so I'll take you guys through all the steps so that you can see how I actually get my mashed potatoes to be so nice and creamy and everything. So right now we're just gonna get into the ingredients before we actually start with the video. Anyway, I hope that you enjoy this video.
Ooh, when I'm feeling so hungry, I go watch my favorite girl. When she's cooking and baking, I love that delicious dessert. Man, I love that Leendo's kitchen. Leendo's kitchen, I love you, Leendo, yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo. Man, I love that Leendo's kitchen. Leendo's kitchen, I love you, Leendo, yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo.
Okay besties, so these are the ingredients that I have over here, which I usually use to make my creamy mashed potatoes. So firstly, I have my potatoes here. I've already peeled and chopped them, so I use like 2 large potatoes, and then I have aromate. Aromate really gives mashed potato such a nice taste. And then I have turmeric. So I like to add turmeric because it adds that bit of yellowish color to the potatoes. Obviously don't put a lot of turmeric because then it'll be too yellow, but just add a bit of turmeric. And then there's a bit of salt and chili flakes. So the chili flakes, I usually just use them just to sort of like give it that nice look. You don't have to put them, and you don't have to put a lot, because the aim is not to make your potatoes to be hot and you know, so just a bit. You sprinkle just a bit, it gives it that nice I don't know what I should say, but yeah, it looks very nice if you put a bit of chili flakes, but you guys will see when I finish. And then I also use mayonnaise, so you can use also any brand of mayonnaise that you prefer. So the mayonnaise makes the mashed potatoes to be very smooth, like smooth and creamy. And then lastly, I add a bit of milk so that obviously it has that creaminess. So these are usually the ingredients that I use for me to actually make a creamy mashed potato. So anyway, let's just get right into the video so that you guys can see how I prepare my mashed potatoes. Okay besties, so I already have my potatoes here in the pot, so I'm quickly just going to add some water. So with the water, just add enough to cover your potatoes. So it depends really on the amount of potatoes you are making. So this for me should be about fine, just a bit above your potatoes. And then I'm just gonna leave it to boil. I'm gonna leave it to boil, and then once it starts boiling, then I'm gonna add my turmeric and also add salt, and yeah, then let it boil up until the water runs out, and then I'm gonna add everything else. Oh, one thing that I forgot to mention on my ingredients was margarine. So I also add margarine. It doesn't matter what margarine you use, but yeah, do also add some margarine. And yeah man, I'll show you as I go along with the process. So now I just need to close the lid of the pot, but I'll leave it slightly open a bit so that it doesn't bubble up and actually spill over. So yeah, so you must always make sure that you just leave like a tiny bit open. So yeah, basically that's what I'm gonna do. I'll check you guys once they have started boiling, and then I'll show you when I add my turmeric as well as my salt. Okay besties, so my potatoes are already boiling, as you can see. So I'm currently just going to add some salt. I'm gonna add a bit of salt. And then I'm also adding some turmeric powder so that it becomes like a bit yellowish. So I do like to add, please don't add a lot. You see, like this is fine. Don't add a lot. We don't want it to be like too yellow, but we do want it to, you know, have a bit of some yellowness. So I'm just gonna close the lid, and then we'll check it out once the water has sort of like dissolved into the potatoes, and then I'll add everything and show you guys the progress. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay besties, so right now the water's kind of like running out, as you can see. So if maybe your potatoes are not yet soft and your water is already running out, then you can add a bit of water, but make sure that you add hot water. So can you see now my water is almost running out? So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna lower my heat. I'm gonna put it a bit on lowish, and then yeah, let me just put it on low a bit up until the water almost like 90% runs out, and then I'm going to add everything that needs to be added, and then we are done. It's very quick and very easy. So but I will show you guys everything. So but I think that I also need to add just a tiny bit of water. Let me just get my kettle. Remember, you need to add hot water so that your cooking process does not slow down. So I'm just gonna close my lid for now. Okay, remember to open it slightly, you don't want it to bubble up. And then yeah, after this I will be showing you guys while I'm adding everything and meshing everything, and then we are done with the video. Okay besties, so our water has run out on the potatoes, so now I'm just gonna be adding margarine and the remaining stuff, and then yeah, I'm gonna mash and we are done with the potatoes basically. So right now I'm adding like a tablespoon like a tablespoon of margarine to my potatoes, and then I'm just quickly mixing. Okay, and then additionally I'm going to add some aromat. Additionally I'm going to be adding mayonnaise, so you can use any mayonnaise that you like. So for me, this is the one that I like. So I'm adding about 1.5 tablespoons of mayo. Alright, lastly I'm going to add some milk. Okay, so right now I'm going to start mashing the potatoes. right now I'm going to add the last thing, which is the chili flakes. So I'm adding these chili flakes, but not a lot. I just want them to make the potatoes look nice. Okay, besties, so right now I'm just going to actually I'm done with my mashed potatoes, so I'm just gonna be dishing them out onto a little bowl. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please do hit the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell and give this video a like, a huge like. And also, yeah, I need you guys to click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.
Man, I love that Leendo's kitchen. Leendo's kitchen. I love you, Leendo, yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo. Man, I love that Leendo's kitchen. Pekka come Leendo's kitchen. I love you, Leendo, yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo. Yeah, you Pekka come. I get good on my seat when I watch your